Elon Musk says Tesla is upgrading the Supercharger network to 300 kilowatt faster charging. I actually saw this tweet on Twitter as opposed to reading it on Electrek, which would normally give you a nice formatted story around a tweet.
But you got the current news, like when it happened.
I guess so. I don't know. I think it was because even Twitter's algorithmic. If there's a tweet from somebody I follow that is like performing well or a reply, then that's going to be at the top. I don't know who got it first. Maybe you got it first. But I did read it, and it is exciting. This is one of those things that many still consider to be a drawback in the EV space. We had the straight pipes over there. And they're like, but how do you charge it? Where do you charge it? Yeah. What about the network and so forth?
Infrastructure.
And it's not just about the network. It's about, okay, so we have this availability, but how long am I sitting there? Mm-hmm. So if you upgrade from 250 kilowatt to 300 kilowatt, ain't nobody complaining about that. Mm-hmm. We got the fast charging going on. Let's see what it says. Well, it is true as well that there are faster chargers out there now. Mm-hmm. So the market has become more competitive, applying some pressure to Tesla to upgrade their stuff as well. Although I haven't bumped into any of these 350 kilowatt chargers. So they're few and far between. Anyway, so here's the tweet. Supercharger V3. Now I'm curious, what power out are we talking about? 350? And then Elon says, a mere 350. What are you referring to? A children's toy? What? But that was in 2016.
Yeah.
That's an old tweet. That's not the one this is the one that I read here. Car and Driver EV 1000 top 10. And this was, I guess Car and Driver did a list.
Got all three, like the top three are Teslas.
Yeah, of their top 10. And then his reply was not bad, although the new Model S has more range and faster charging. I guess he wants the list to reflect the latest models. And it's also where he says the Supercharger network is being upgraded, so that will help too. Because I guess they took that into consideration when they were analyzing, evaluating the EV options. The Supercharger network is a big bonus when you're considering a Tesla. So anyway, this is just great news all around, assuming that it's something that rolls out relatively soon and not in a decade or something like that. Mm-hmm.